was drilled on Spitsbergen by Amorian 1965-1966. The material, it was standard of California and San Francisco. 25 is tight. Nothing has been published on the well. I talked with Harold Kaska, paleontologist in San Francisco, who verified that the samples are there. Only a little palynology has been done. Texaco was operator. I called May 31st, 1974, R.R. Roy Baker, 212-953-6000, Texaco Incorporated, 135 East 42nd Street, New York, and asked to see the material. Not impossible, but unlikely. Would have to write formal request after cruise if we are interested to see, then still interested to see it. Copy request van Hinte. Note, item requested is not in library. Check here for authorization to order copy from another library. It's a production research library. Jan Mayen. Danian facies by Exploration Research International in 71. It's confidential. A1 proposal. DSDP, leg 38. Rob Olle. Northern North Sea. Dear Dr. Buckley, today I found a note reminding me to send you a copy of the tertiary research proposal we made with EQ, and I do not remember whether or not I did send it. Upon my return to Norway, to be sure I send you a copy herewith. We have two young MCSs who are fully prepared to take up that study. One of them is Norwegian. We will be pleased to rewrite the proposal and do this with Norsk Hydro. The Norwegian student also is quite familiar with seismographic interpretation and could use the biostratigraphic results for collaboration and regional correlation of the seismic. We would like to study biostratigraphic sequence and fossil atlas, but not necessarily with well locations and depth that were to pose confidentiality problems. The seismic correlation can, of course, be exclusive for Norsk Hydro. As we discussed in Bergen, I think that knowledge on the young section is much more important than people usually think. It is during the tertiary that the source came to maturing depth and that the HCs moved to their present position. Both MCSs are looking on the job now. So please do not postpone your answer. Sorry I'm so late with this. Since Bergen I traveled much and did not find time to clean my desk with best memories and too short to visit. Jan. North Sea. Okay. Norsk. North of 62 degrees. Lecture. Management for Petroleum Resources. Exploration Strategies and Norwegian Lesson. North of Iceland, paper presented on Offshore Northern Sea Technology Conference, Norwegian Sea. Die Struktur des Island verrührer Rückens aus geophysikalischen Messungen. Geologie en mijnbouw. Fracture map of southern Norway. Including many geological features.